The P0016 diagnostic trouble code indicates a critical timing discrepancy detected by your vehicle's engine control module. This code specifically identifies a correlation error between the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors on Bank 1, Sensor A. To understand this code, we need to examine the two critical sensors involved. The crankshaft position sensor monitors the crankshaft's rotation and provides the base timing reference for ignition and fuel injection systems. The camshaft position sensor tracks the camshaft's position and rotation. It determines which cylinder is on the compression stroke and works in conjunction with the crankshaft sensor for precise engine timing. These sensors must maintain precise timing correlation. When the engine control module detects a discrepancy between their signals, it triggers the P0016 code. Modern timing-tolerant specifications require correlation within 4 to 8 degrees of crankshaft rotation. P006 codes arise from three main categories of issues. Mechanical problems account for 60% of cases, including timing chain or belt problems and worn components. Electrical issues represent 25%, involving sensor failures or wiring problems. Oil-related issues make up the remaining 15% of cases, typically affecting variable valve timing operation due to low oil pressure or contaminated oil. These issues can prevent proper VVT system function. Modern vehicles utilize advanced OBD2 diagnostic scanners that provide real-time correlation data between crankshaft and camshaft positions. These sophisticated tools allow technicians to pinpoint timing discrepancies with greater precision than ever before. Diagnosing P00116 requires a systematic approach with 4 key steps: code confirmation, visual inspection, electrical testing, and mechanical verification. Step 1. Confirm the P0116 code using a professional OBD2 scanner. Check for related codes like P0017, P0018, or P0019, and review freeze frame data to understand when the fault occurred. Step 2. Perform a thorough visual inspection. Check engine oil level and condition, inspect timing covers for oil leaks, and examine sensor wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Step 3. Electrical testing involves checking sensor resistance and voltage, verifying wiring continuity, and using oscilloscope testing for definitive sensor evaluation. Advanced oscilloscope testing provides the most accurate sensor evaluation, showing the actual waveform patterns from both crankshaft and camshaft position sensors. Step 4. Mechanical verification includes timing chain or belt inspection, VVT system operation testing, and compression testing if mechanical timing issues are suspected. Based on industry data, common P0016 solutions break down as follows. Timing chain or belt service accounts for 45% of cases, sensor replacement 30%, VVT system repair 20%, and wiring repair just 5%. Expert technicians recommend always verifying base timing first, checking oil level and condition, using oscilloscope testing for definitive sensor evaluation, and performing compression tests when mechanical issues are suspected. Prevention is key to avoiding P16 codes. Regular oil changes can reduce occurrence by 60%, while quality oil filters reduce VVT-related codes by 35%. Following manufacturer timing belt or chain maintenance intervals reduces failure by 80%.